When you're running a retail business, you want to work with numbers. And those numbers correlate to your sales, to the amount of people attracting into the shop. My name is Simon. I'm the head of IT operations and infrastructure for SAMSØE SAMSØE. We are a Danish-based retailer. We operate out of 19 countries in Europe, and we have a total of 65 retail locations. Our vision for our brand is that we attract young people between 20 to 35. And one of the challenges is obviously the fit, the sizing. It sometimes is down to the color. One of the things that we actually saw using, again, the platforms from EVERYANGLE and from Cisco Meraki vision is that we are attracting customers outside of what we thought that we are targeting. And that's a key aspect for us, because then we would like to understand that customer base that we attract is. And that correlates going back all the way to our production teams. You know, I can feed them with the data and say, okay, out of 1 million customers, we've had 180,000 over the limit that we would expect our normal customer base to be. So we can react on that, being maybe we can include more solid colors, we can include different patterns, different shapes that might, contribute to sales for those people. We are 60% retail locations, so retail first, and then we have 40% of our business is online sales. So you can imagine 60% of those customers are physically customers coming into our shops, and we don't know anything about those customers. By employing the Meraki MV platform and the EVERYANGLE integration, we're able to see who comes in our shops, in what demographic, what gender are they, and then their kind of happiness incentive. Are they happy? Are they neutral? Are they sad or mad, for that matter? And how did we actually correlate when they left the shop? Our flagship store, it's based in one of the high volume traffic streets in Munich. One of the key findings we found, and that was actually empowering the EVERYANGLE platform and the Meraki Vision platform, is that within the first week of opening, we were able to see about 50-50 split between men and women, which to us was really surprising, because normally when we style a shop, we always start by doing 80% women, 20% men. And then we would later adjust that value based on the sales input coming from our POS. By being able to see that we are attracting 50% male customer in there, we're able to tailor, do we need to include more concepts of men items in our shop? Where are they placed? And do we have enough men concepts to begin with? Within the first quarter of the shop, we could see an overall 5.5% higher conversion rate on men within that location. And within the group, it's 3.1%, just by taking, advantage of the Meraki MV platform and EVERYANGLE. We gathered that data, and I sat down with our CEOs, my CFO, and all the stakeholders, the retail head of, and I showcased them the EVERYANGLE dashboard. And I showed them okay, these are the type of customers we meet in there. These are the age groups we meet. These are the percentages of gender we meet in there. And they were just really blown away, really blown away. It was the key of the puzzle we were missing.